Let's see how easy it is to set all this stuff up. I haven't read any instructions, so we're just gonna figure it out together. Let's see. So I took the SD card out of the box. We're gonna put it into the camera. If I can get this SD card out. Oh, here it is. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Guess it goes into there like this. Yeah, it just snapped in there. Yep. Then lock it back up. Boom. Open up the screen and it turns on. And we'll select English. Set area, date, and time. Area, date, and time. Enter area. Oh, okay. So it's got New York, Bogota. And that's none of the above. Okay, I just missed recording the setup process. I was going to record it for you guys, but it wasn't that hard. All you had to do was get the date, enter the area, the date, time, and then that was it. And these are all the different modes. So yeah, setup was not that hard. Easy to figure out. You don't really need any instruction booklet for that. Now I'm in a different mode, so I don't know where I'm at. So I'm gonna go back, and as you guys can see, there's only a little bit of battery left. So I'm gonna start charging it up before I can do some more shooting. It's on intelligent focus, and as you can see, the ISO changes as I move the camera around. The ISO right there, 125, 160, 125. It's right now it's at f2.8 for the auto mode. And when I close this, it turns off. The lens retracts back into the body, so that's good. So that was not that hard, although man, I thought I was recording the setup from the date and time, but like I said, it's not that hard. You just use this toggle switch right here to get to your date and time, format, area, group, things like that. So now let's see how easy it is to set this up. So on this one, we're gonna have to pair it with the camera. I'm gonna charge the camera real quick. So in the unboxing, I forgot to show you guys this. These right here on the back right side of the camera is the microphone, or yeah, the headphone jack, microphone port. Here's for the micro USB port for charging, and what is this part? It looks like the mini HDMI, micro HDMI port. So one of these is micro HDMI, and the other one is for micro USB. It would have been nice if it was USB-C, because I already got rid of my I don't know where I put my other micro USB cable, because most of my devices now are all USB-C, including my digital audio player. But it's a good thing it came with the cable out of the box, so that's what I'm going to use to charge this camera right now. Actually, never mind. You could tell it right here. See, this part, the flap right here says HDMI. So that's the micro HDMI, and then this part right here says multi. So that's probably for the USB-C cable. So yeah, there you go. The one in the middle is for charging, USB-C, or not USB-C, micro USB. Okay, so now while the camera is charging, let's see how we put this battery into the Bluetooth remote control grip. Okay, right here, as you can see, inside the grip, it says open, and I think I'm supposed to unlock it first. So this is lock, that should be unlocked, and then unlock it here, right? Oh my god, I don't have no nails to 1 and 2. Oh, okay. I'll go here and then here. There you go. So you have to do these at the same time. You have to press them both at the same time to get this out. And now we can get our battery inside. It's nice that it doesn't come installed out of the box. So that way it's not using up power, or yeah, it's not using up power while it's in transit or being inside the package. So I like that. That's pretty cool. So there you go. I guess we got it in. And then we will put the cover back on right there. And then lock it into place like that. All right. That was not that hard at all. Now we got to see how to pair it. But my camera is still charging. So I'm going to actually... Should I read the instructions while it's still charging? Nah. I'll just get back to you guys once it's fully charged. No cheating here. Okay, there's a little bit more power, but I want to get through this setup. Let's see. Menu. We have to scroll down to, I think, network. I actually cheated a little bit. Okay, here we go. Network 1. I think it says computer control with smartphone, PC remote function. Is that what it is? Airplane mode. What else is there? Oh, there it is. Wi-Fi settings. Bluetooth remote control. There it is. We got to turn that on. Come on, man. This operation or setting not available as follows. Why? Why isn't it available? Maybe have to... Okay, I'm gonna look at the instructions. Turn on the camera, select menu, network, Bluetooth settings, Bluetooth function on. Bluetooth function is off. Network, Bluetooth remote control on. Okay. So how do I turn on Bluetooth? Bluetooth settings. Turn it on. Yes. Pairing. Which you guys can see right there. Then go back to menu. Bluetooth remote control. Let's turn it on. Perform pairing from the device to be connected. Device name ZV-1. Okay. Alright, so this one, go to step 4. Step 4 says on the GP, VP, T2, BT, press and hold the photo button and the T side of the zoom button simultaneously for at least 7 seconds. Okay. So I gotta this and this for 7 seconds. What's gonna happen? Confirmation on the camera screen. Nothing's happening. Pairing fails. The indicator on this unit flashes rapidly. If this happens, repeat steps 1 through 5. Maybe I have to put it on unlock? I don't know. There we go. It says I had it locked, so I guess that's what the lock was for. Connected device. Okay, so let's hit OK. Whoops. Let's do that again. Let's do this all over. Photo and T to hold for 7 seconds. There you go. Okay. Yes. And now I am connected, I guess. Yeah. So if I want to go to photo on here, there it goes. Do you guys see that? It's controlling it. I'm going to take a picture of the box with the camera. Whoops, what did I go back? I can zoom in, as you can see, with the remote control. I can zoom out now, and I could take a picture. I think I took a picture. There you go. If I can go into movie mode and record. Now I'm recording. All from here. And if I press it again, it stops recording. There you go. So now I'm paired. That was not hard at all. So if I can do it, you guys can do it. All right. So first setup, not that difficult. The hardest part is this, pairing this up with the, now that I have it paired, I probably should lock it, right? I'm thinking, yeah, if I have it paired, I should lock it. So I'm good. Let me make sure, open it up again, make sure I could still be paired. Okay, no. I have to unlock it every time I want to use it. Yeah, if I lock it, if I put this on lock right there, it doesn't work. I have to unlock it to be able to use it. Okay, so that's what that lock switch is. If I lock it right there, I'm in a lock position. It won't work, as you guys can see. So yeah, not too bad. Not that difficult at all. So first setup was successful. No snags or roadblock. If you guys get stuck on this part with the grip, Bluetooth grip, just read the quick start guide on it and you'll be good to go. Camera, it's called the camera grip pairing guide, and that is that. Not that hard at all. Like I said, if I can do it, you guys can do it. So that is it. If you guys have found this video helpful or useful, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Till next time, everybody take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day.